Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to clear Chrome search history. So let's get started. So if you want to clear your Google Chrome search history, then what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your browser, now in the top of your screen you can find a three-dotted icon. Just tap on that three-dotted icon, and after tapping on the three-dotted icon, now what you can do is just simply tap on history. And after tapping on history, now here you can find clear browsing history. So what you can do is just simply tap on clear browsing history, and that will clear your history. But if you want to specifically clear your search history, then what you can do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, tap on privacy and security. Inside your privacy and security, over the top you can find this option. It is clear browsing data. From here you just have to scroll towards the right and you will find this advanced option, and inside your advanced option here you can find your browsing history, your cookies and site data, your cache image and files, autofill from data, and site settings. So now we just want to clear our browsing history, so I'll just select that one and then tap on clear data. And after tapping on clear data, you have successfully cleared your data. So that's it guys, this is how to clear your Chrome search history. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.